Hey friends, it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a healthy green breakfast smoothie. This smoothie is very nutritious and also very filling. First, add 2 handfuls of baby spinach to your blender cup. Next, add some frozen blueberries. You can add as many as you like, but I roughly add about 8 to 9. Next, add 1 whole medium-sized banana. This next ingredient is optional, but if you want your smoothie as a snack, then you don't have to add this. But if you want it as a meal, then I recommend you to add 2 tablespoons of oats. Next, add 1 teaspoon of seed mix. If you don't have seed mix, you can add chia seeds or any of your favorite seeds. Then add honey or any sweetener of your choice. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. This ingredient makes your smoothie a bit more creamy. Finally, add almond milk until your max line, or you can add water if you prefer to. Once all ingredients are added, get your blender lid, close your blender tightly and blend it for a few seconds. Finally, grab a glass and pour your smoothie into the glass, and there you go, smoothie complete. It's so filling, delicious, and the best thing of all, healthy. You guys, this is so delicious and I really recommend it. You don't only need to have it as a breakfast, you can also have it as a snack, or you can even have it as lunch. I can't say how delicious this is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how to make this healthy, delicious green smoothie. If you do want me to make more recipes, please make sure to subscribe to my channel as well as to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video.